Hey everyone, my name is Sarah Jameson and I am co-owner of Firefly Fiber Art Studio. We're an all-natural and sustainable yarn shop in Chicago. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change color in crochet. I'm going to show you two different ways. One is if you want to do stripes and you're wanting to change the color after the end of the row, and the second way is if you are doing intarsia or if you want to change color in the middle of the row, maybe have a little pattern. I'll show you how to do both ways. All right, so the first way I'm going to show you is if you want to start a new color at the end of the row. So here I've done 2 rows of double crochet and I just finished my second row. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my new color and I'm going to do my chains up to my new row with my new color. And then I'm going to turn. I'm going to tighten up that old color right here. Here's a little trick. If you want to weave in your ends while you crochet, you just lay them on top like this and you crochet around them. You only need to do about 3 or 4 stitches and then you can just cut them. And then I just start crocheting with my new color. Now you do your chains in the new color so that your edge right here is the same color as your new row. There it is. Now I'm going to show you how to change colors in the middle of your row. So if you want to do like 3 colors of color A and then 3 stitches of color B, you can do something like that, or you could be doing intarsia, but this is how you do it. So first thing first, I have 2 stitches already on here and I want to make a third in the color A that I'm using, the main color. So I'm just going to start my double crochet, but I'm not going to finish it. So I have these 2 loops. I'm going to bring in my black and I'm actually going to finish it off with the black, just like that. And then I'm going to start my new stitches. And here I'm still doing that weaving in the end technique that I showed you guys earlier. All right, there you go. So now you can see it's a clean switch over. So you have 3 stitches that are clearly orange and 3 stitches that are clearly black. And that is how you change colors in the middle of your row. If you guys have any questions, please ask them in the comments below. If you have any other things that you want to learn, drop us a comment and please remember to subscribe. See you guys later. Thanks.